welcome. Let's do some gentle slow stitching. I'm making these little knot birds. Aren't they cute? I've made one in paper too, if you just don't want to do some stitching. I'm going to use these as a pocket in my journal. Yeah, let me pull you closer. Go to my ideas board here. Here they are. No measurements really. I've got some double-sided paper here. This is printed magazine paper, but you can use your painty paper if you want to. It's double-sided, but this one wasn't double-sided, so yeah. And yeah, Julia sent me a picture. Was it from Instagram? Let me put it on here. And then you can go and find that, and then you gently knot it. If it rips a bit, don't worry. And then I'm not editing this so you can see. I'm fiddling here just to get it to lay flat. That's it. Each one's going to be different, isn't it? That's it. Press it down. Of course I've ripped it, not a problem. It's individual like the little birds we see when we're out and about. Like that. And then I'm going to leave it flat here, do the beak. You can draw this on if you want to, and then just make a little round head. Oh, absolutely cute, cute. I think if I go round that with an outline, that's going to look a bit better actually. Let's put an outline on that. Oh, make this work. Oh, a bit better. Using this paper because I don't want this to go on my quilt as you go, but you can see underneath here. My quilt as you go that's been going on for 5 or 6 years. I'm not in a rush. I'm just going to enjoy creating it. Yeah, I'm just new to quilting. So yeah, just I will leave this on my picture of this on my community tab, so you can use it as a rough pattern for the head and the tail. It's called Posts now. What used to be the community tab. Lovely. And when that pen's dry, I'll sew a button on. Lovely. Let's see how I'm going to use that as a pocket. Just round here. So it can, I've got this lovely, beautiful fairy. Isn't it gorgeous? Oh, it's from Karen. Isn't it gorgeous? Beautifully made. And that lovely card from Karen can go in there. Beautiful fairy. Thank you, Karen.
How beautiful are those?
Do you want to make a sew stitch one? I know, I'm usually, if you can make something from, yeah, if you can make it from paper, you can make it from fabric. I like to do that little challenge. I'm working backwards. Let's go from the beginning, shall we? I've done mine 12 inches, so, but no set. I'm going to do raw edges, but you could turn yours inside out if you wanted to, because you could put it on your quilt as you go. Got a little handy pocket here. What am I going to put in the pocket? Oh, I think maybe one of the little gnomes wants to come and live in there. rip the fabric, 2 lots of just over 1 inch. Oh, that's not, oh, I have to cut that bit. Right, okay. Look, it's thicker, isn't it? That's, oh yeah, it's become 3 inches now. Okay. Nice cup of tea. Oh, lovely. And hold on to it and tie it in a knot. Again, I'll keep this unedited so you can see me having a bit of a fiddle with it here. Yeah, so that can be the head and then the tail. Does that roughly work out? Where's the other one? Oh, yeah, I've done it. It's nice to have the knot. Oh, no, I've made mine so it can swirl round. It's got an eye on either side. Yep. Okay. So, let's do the tail. Any old how. Oh, lovely fabric left to do some slow stitching with. I love that. And let's do the head. Right, it's flat along the bottom. There you've got the beak. Oh, I need to take that pin out actually. It's just to hold it together. And just go, that's the beak, and then just go round a bit like that. Wonderful. And now I've set myself up here to slow stitch all the way round. And I've added a little beak too. You can just add or take away whatever. Yeah, you make the project your own. Oh, let's see. I'm sewing the beak, so let's, got my little, the scraps are, there's a lot of yarn scraps here. Oh, because I've been doing quite a bit of knitting. Casting off now, watching a knitting vlog. Getting the measurements for the tassels for the scarf from my lovely postcard from Albertina. Let's do a little pink beak, why not? 2 little points, bit fiddly. You don't have to do this if you don't want to. Yeah, let's pop that on that side and the other bit of beak on this side, and just do a little stitch. Want to tie a knot? The choice is yours. And then I'm just going to go all the way around the edge of this dear little bird. And it's slow stitch, just a relaxing little afternoon project here. Any stitch goes, any size. Do it on the machine as well. Yeah, just in and out here. Lovely. And I will want to choose. I've got a button. I have to keep fiddling with it until when I come round, then I can, when you're sewing it up, you can sew it how you get it into place. And then I'll have a button for each eye. Little Freddie. From the button jar, from the button drawer. I think it's this one. Oh, those are those vintage ones. Let's have a look. Open it up. Oh, I think I'll use this little jar. This cupboard it comes up like that as well, but I don't tend to use that. Ah, you're right, Mo. Got some Happy Mail that you want to deliver? Safe journey. Safe journey, little postcard. Cute little jar. Although I'm doing a button each side, I like these little ones. The little cream one and the little green one, I think. Yeah, they're cute. Oh, look at this. Oh, I love looking at button jars. Little apple-shaped one. Beautiful. And then, yeah, one for each side, and a little tab stitched on now. So, yeah, it can go up with the other birds. Ah, little knotted bird. You're a great asset to the collection of little birds from all over the world. Whoops, dropped you. I've got Julia here. Slice of barra breath. Oh, all gone.
I've already eaten it. Sorry.
And my new tin mug. Isn't it gorgeous?
Oh, it's tin.
It's tin. It's a little tin mug. I love it.
Oh, it's so cute.
Thank you. Put some paint around the edges, and I'll get these in the post box.
Good going.
I know. Good going. What are you up to, Julia?
Nothing.
Nothing. You've
This
been
moment-
slow stitching, haven't you?
Yeah, I'm just actually. I found a little quote to put on the bottom of it
Oh, nice.
from my Winnie the Pooh quotes.
Oh, we need to.
Today is my new favourite day.
Oh, I love that.
I thought it would go at the bottom of the Fox page.
Oh, that's lovely, Julia.
I know they have nice quotes on that. Now, I haven't read Postcard for ages.
It's such a beautiful day. Oh, little dog coming along. Oh, I can't even see him. Look, I had to take my coat off and my scarf. Such a beautiful day. Oh, I love Foxgrove Lodge. These used to be the gatehouses at one time, and this the driveway for a beautiful estate. That's it, good boy. Good. Safe journey, little postcards, little message of hope. Where hope lives, joy grows. Oh, where's the... Oh, there it is. That's it. Safe journey, little postcards. That's it. Oh, hold on, wait. That's it. Good boy. Oh, you can come off. You can come off the lead now, Freddie. Into the park. In Karen's card, she gave me some buttons. There's like a watering can one here, and a ladybird. And I know they're there are some fairies. They're going to be great for the fairy journal. There was one fairy, I think it was Maryellen, she wanted to be a gardening fairy and hold a watering can. So that's going to be great for that. I'll just pop that in there. And I know Lala wanted to be a ladybird fairy. So we're going to be continuing to creating this. You see, I can hardly talk. I'm going to go and do some gentle slow stitching in the other room. Oh, your cherry and moss pie looks delicious, Flo. Did you make a little bird from scraps, Flo? Oh, absolutely gorgeous. You just took some of the cotton ribbon. Oh, that's wonderful. That's a great idea to make little ones. Oh, we could do that with any size ribbon. Oh, thank you, Flo. We light a candle. Yes, let's do that. Let's have a little strawberry one, shall we? Just a little bit of time for us to breathe and that's it. Take good care, everyone, won't you? Bye. Right. There. Thank you very much.
Just get the, you don't need, get the picture here. That's a bit.
Oh, I like it because it looks hand printed.
Yeah. Then you could pretend that you drew.
I could pretend. Actually, that's how wallpaper used to be.
So we're just playing a game, and guess who turned up? Oh, Hermione Granger.
Oh,
Oh, look! Wow.
I'm in. What am I in? What house? Oh, Gryffindor. Thank you.
You forgot the house. Have you just been to the Harry Potter shop in London to buy this?
I made it.
Oh, you made it! Oh, wow. How long did it take you?
Oh, hours. But I just like.
Yeah.
It's
Nice.
just relaxing to make.
Very
Thank you,
nice.
Ben.
Looks good.
That means stop.
Thank you, Ben.
Stop it! You'll make people dizzy.